both the legs slightly wide apart. Place your right leg or left leg 4 feet gap between both the legs forward. Okay. Now shift all the body weight towards your leg that you have placed forward. Place your hand down and raise your leg back. See to that your toes and your hip are in a straight line. Now place your one hand down. My left leg is down, so I'm placing my left hand down, not in line with my left leg, side of my left leg. Try to get the stability. Now gently take your right hand up and then turn your neck. Look at your finger points. Stay here for 5 to 6 breaths. And then gently drop your head down and then your hand down. Drop your leg down, inhale and then come back. Take your leg back to Samasthiti. Again you have to repeat with the other leg.
Begin to lie down on your back and place your heels as close as possible to your butt and hold your ankles. Make sure your thumb is outside, and when you're ready, slowly inhale and lift your hips all the way up. So try and reach as high as possible, but your breath should be in the normal range, and stay here for a couple of deep breaths. You want to release the posture. Exhale, gently put your hips down to the mat and relax in Shavasana.
Lie on your back with arms stretched out at shoulder level. Bend right knee and cross it outside of your left leg, close to the left knee. And slowly start twisting towards the left side. Use your left hand to put slight pressure on the bent knee to push down towards the floor. If the knee is not touching the floor, it's still okay. Try to focus on your twist and stay comfortable. Try to keep both the shoulders squared and rooted to the floor. If the right shoulder is off the floor, it's no problem. Just try and be aware of it. Keep pressing it towards the floor and keep breathing into the twist. Stay on 30 seconds or more. Slowly bring your knee back to stretch out your legs. Now we repeat the same on the other side. Bend your left knee to twist to the right side. Use your right hand to press the knee down as much as you can. Press your left shoulder towards the floor. Breathe into your spine and feel the twist. Stay on for 30 seconds and slowly come back to rest on your back with your legs stretched out.
If you are a beginner and you are still working on the shoulder stand sequence and you're not able to lift your legs up on your own, then don't worry, you can always use the wall support. So you want to come closer to your wall and place your butt as close as possible, preferably a wall instead of a glass, but it's okay. So just begin to lie down comfortably and place both your legs all the way up, and still just scoot yourself closer to your wall. See, my butt is as close as possible. And now from here, just walk with your heels all the way up. See? And there you have it. So by this method, you can bring your hips off the mat and try to roll your shoulders inside and bring your palms widen nice under your hips and slowly keep breathing. So maintain this posture for a longer time so that your elbows are getting used to the weight of your body, and then from here slowly lift your leg one by one. Hold for 3, 2, 1 and relax. And the other side for 3, 2, 1 and slowly relax. Just sliding your body all the way down and relax.